Today's synonyms and antonyms for the word comfortable. Comfortable, adjective, making you feel physically relaxed. Okay, so synonyms. Convenient, convenient, pleasant, pleasant, cheerful, cheerful, agreeable, agreeable, satisfied, satisfied. Antonyms: miserable, miserable, cheerless, cheerless, disagreeable, disagreeable, dissatisfied, dissatisfied, forlorn, forlorn. Okay, let's try to use some of them in a sentence. These new shoes are not very comfortable. These new shoes are not very comfortable. These new shoes are not very comfortable. The dog looks so forlorn standing outside in the rain. The dog looks so forlorn standing outside in the rain. The dog looks so forlorn standing outside in the rain. Would that be agreeable? Would that be agreeable? Would that be agreeable? Okay, so now is your turn. Try to practice as many words from today's video as possible. And if you wish, write some of your examples in the comments below. See you soon. Bye-bye.